Variety. The clothes they wear represent desires, values, images, and fantasies that shape how audiences encounter and relate to these personalities. Outfits become symbols and expressions of a star's multifaceted appeal, from talent to glamour to controversy. Over time, certain pieces even achieve relic status, capturing a brief moment in fashion and celebrity history. In summary, celebrities leverage fashion and red carpet appearances to construct a public image that aligns with their brand and goals. The styles, designers, looks, and pieces they favor repeatedly become strongly associated with their persona and success. While some appropriative aspects diminish authenticity, these fashion-centric celebrities and their symbolic looks have significant influence over trends, aspiration, and ideals. Understanding a celebrity's signature style reveals as much about their notoriety and meaning as the work that made them famous in the first place. Red carpets are runways for self-expression, allowing stars to cultivate a complex red carpet closet and fashion-forward point of view through daring, memorable, and representative choices. When it comes to red carpet fashion, celebrities are often the ones setting the trends and inspiring fashion choices around the world. There are certain outfits and pieces of clothing that have become iconic in the world of celebrity fashion, and have been worn by multiple stars over the years. Here are some of the most beloved and popular clothing items among celebrities, and how they are used to create individual style. The Little Black Dress. The Little Black Dress, or LBD, is a classic piece of clothing that has been a staple in women's wardrobes for decades. It is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down, and can be worn to a variety of events. Celebrities often choose to wear the LBD on the red carpet, as it is a timeless and elegant choice. Each celebrity adds their own personal touch to the LBD, whether it's through accessories, makeup, or hairstyle, to create a unique and individual look. The tuxedo. The tuxedo is a classic and sophisticated choice for men on the red carpet. It is a timeless piece that never goes out of style, and is often worn by celebrities to formal events. The tuxedo is a versatile piece, and can be customized to fit the wearer's personal style. Some celebrities opt for a classic black tuxedo, while others choose a colored or patterned jacket to add a unique touch. The statement gown. The statement gown is a popular choice among female celebrities on the red carpet. These gowns are often bold, dramatic, and eye-catching, featuring intricate details such as sequins, beading, and embroidery. Celebrities use these gowns to make a statement and stand out from the crowd. Some choose to go for a more classic and elegant look, while others opt for a more daring and unconventional style. The leather jacket. The leather jacket is a staple in both men's and women's fashion, and is often seen on the red carpet. It is a versatile piece that can be worn with a variety of outfits, and can be dressed up or down. Celebrities often choose to wear a leather jacket to add an edgy and rebellious touch to their outfit, and to create a unique and individual look. In conclusion, celebrities use a variety of clothing items to create their individual style on the red carpet. From classic pieces such as the little black dress and the tuxedo, to more statement pieces such as the statement gown and the leather jacket. Each item is used to express the celebrity's personal style and make a statement.